At lovegardening.com, we understand the importance of lawn care. That's why we only stock the best tools, feeds, fertilisers and treatments. Your lawn is the centrepiece of your garden, so allow us to help you keep yours in tip-top condition using our range of lawn care products from leading manufacturers. A major problem for many gardeners is moss. We carry the very best treatments to eradicate moss whilst feeding the grass and improving the soil. We carry a large selection of lawn seeds and water-based high-performance organic feeds to keep your lawn looking great all year round. We also sell a great range of spreaders for seed and granular material, which carry up to a 30 kilogram load and ensure an even distribution, giving you a great finished result. Keeping a clean edge to your lawn takes time and effort. Have you considered lawn edging? It saves hours of manual edging and always looks great. As you can see from our lovegardening.com website, we have a superb selection of quality lawn care products for you.